Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 31st of August till September 6th, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, and for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's start from for my Virgos from 31st of August till September 6th. 3 shuffles. As you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see. Last shuffle, please. What is there for my Virgos? Okay. So at the back of the deck, it's the Knight of Swords. So this is telling me some kind of speed. Okay, a speed to do something, a really fast energy. You are like not ready to wait anymore for something. That thing. Okay, you're ready to fight for this thing even. Your past energies are telling me with the fool, the star, and Knight of Cups. So this is more of a wish, a hope to explore something new. Okay, so with the star and the fool over here, see, such a beautiful energy to explore new things, to explore new life, taking a leap of faith in your past. So this might be just a hope. Okay, it might have not come into action. With the Knight of Cups, this was beautiful, dreaming about something very beautiful. Present energies are King of Rods, Five of Pentacles, and Nine of Swords. So separation, I'm seeing some kind of separation with some kind of thinking a lot and taking an action as well. So in your past, a lot of thinking was there. In your present, there is some kind of an action being taken. Your future energies are Nine of Cups, the Tower, and the Devil. So things are really coming to something, some kind of a drastic ending, some kind of a drastic change is going to happen. This might be a good change because with the Nine of Cups, it is like this was a wish basically. So this ending, for those people who are really wanting for some kind of an ending, that wish is actually coming true. With the Devil, it is like some kind of a toxic relationship also might be ending for some of you. Alright, so let's start your clarification. Let's see why the Knight of Cups, Knight of Swords is here. Knight of Swords in your overall energy of my Virgos. What is it? Knight of Cups. Sorry, Knight of Swords. I don't know why I'm continuously saying Knight of Cups. Knight of Swords in the overall energy. Knight of Pentacles. A lot of knights are coming up. What is happening? Knight's energy is more about that beginning energy where it has to move on. A lot of energy is here. This is a very that energy where a lot of action is okay. So decision is made by the kings and queens, and the actions are done by the knights. So this is that action oriented energy I'm getting. So this was a weight which is actually coming to an end. See how this Knight of Cups, sorry, Knight of Swords with a Knight of Pentacles is here. It's like waiting for something, and now you're just wanting it to happen fast. Okay, so very contradictory energy. What else do we have in this? What else? Six of Cups. So this is like something dreaming. See, I just told you, like you were dreaming about something and this is just happening, a wish coming true. So this is more about a dream coming true. Let's see why the Fool is here in your past energies. Ten of Cups. Okay, so that enthusiasm, that excitement, that taking a leap of faith to start something new is starting a new family, starting a new business. I am also seeing like something where when you call yourself a couple which is happily ever after couple, marriage for some of you, you have entered in. For some of you, you have entered. You were like a new marriage for some people. A beautiful beginning was this. Let's see the star over here with the Nine of Wands. So this hope was like it was too, you were feeling very tired because this was just a hope. Okay, with the star and the Nine of Wands, I'm getting that when you are like waiting, and with the Nine of Wands, it is always, he is a warrior who is standing to protect his people. Okay, so there are tents around him, and he has to protect people around him. So this is that energy where he is tired, but he knows it's his duty to stand over here. He has to wait. He has to he cannot just quit now. Okay, at this moment he cannot quit. So that is this thing. You cannot quit from a situation. You know that you have waited for this from a long time, waited for this situation, and now it is not the time to quit. So whatever this thing is, whatever this hope was, whatever the situation was in your life, you always wanted this thing to happen, and that hope actually, that hope held you tight for a long time. Let's see why the Knight of Cups is here. The Empress. Wow, the Knight of Cups with the Empress, it is looking to me as a very, beautiful, loving energy, and a very growing energy, nurturing, mature kind of energy where you always see the growth, you always see a beautiful bond in a relationship. So there's a lot of, because Ten of Cups, the Empress is here, a lot of growing process in a marriage, in a relationship was there. So the past was looking, whatever problems might come, you have to stick on it. So there was a feeling that you have to hold on tight, you cannot lose now. Okay, let's see why the King of Rods is here in your present energy. Ace of Pentacles. There's a new beginning where you have already started to think, and you have already started to take an action towards this new beginning. Whatever this is very exciting. This is very passionate beginning. Excited, passionate, and enthusiastic as well. So this is new learnings as well. I'm seeing new job, new promotion, new business as well for some of you, because King of Rods always tells us about how he is so passionate to do something new. So a lot of passion is involved in this thing. Let's see why the Five of Pentacles is here. Five of Pentacles with the Seven of Cups, please. Seven of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. All right, a lot of wait has already been there. So you might be waiting still now, or the wait might be over. But I'm still getting that you are waiting now. Still for some kind of thing. Might be some kind of a separation for some of you. You are waiting for a separation. You are waiting for something to end because this is not serving you right. That is why you always want something to end. Okay, but why is this Nine of Swords here then? Why are you crying? Okay, with the Seven of Swords, this is a very sneaky card. Like, you really need to sneak out from something, from a relationship, from a situation. You have to just move without telling anyone. This might be that energy, or this might be, if this is not you, this might be the other person in your life who is being very sneaky and who is not telling you the truth, and you know what is actually happening behind your back, but you cannot just say anything. You're just crying during the night. Let's see why is this Nine of Cups over here. the devil energy. The devil has appeared twice in your future energy. This is a really toxic, might be for some of you, this is a really toxic bond in which you are involved. So you really want to end this thing. Let's see why the Tower is here in your future energies. Hermit, see, you are here. So this is your season, Virgos, and see how beautifully you have come up. An ending, a very toxic ending is going to happen, okay, but it will bring a lot of soul searching, a lot of happiness within. It will bring, some time for yourself. It is coming up. So this is you, Virgos, this is you. Let's see why the devil is here. You might be dealing with a Capricorn over here as well. Six of Wands with the Seven of Wands. So you are going to be successful in whatever thing you are planning, but with that, it is going to come up with a lot of question marks in front of you. Okay, so people will try to just boycott you as well. So stay away from all these situations, but things are going to be in your side. Okay, whatever you are wanting, things will happen the way you want. But with that, you know that whatever you want, it always comes with a clause. It always comes with a deal, and that deal is like facing people, facing questions and giving answers, like taking a stand for yourself, like fighting for yourself basically. So this is that feeling, that energy over here, where you know what you want, you will get what you want, but people around you, they don't want you to be that way. That is why you are just fighting for yourself. You're fighting for yourself, you're fighting for your family around you, whomsoever you love, people around you, you're fighting for them. All right, so that's all from my side, Virgos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.